Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you watched the previous video and you have a good idea with EBS is present in availability zone level or regional level or global level, and you have an idea with when you can able to connect your volume with your instance. Now let's go with another interesting question. Let's go with another interesting question. Now let's say my let's say my volume is present in 1b. My volume is present in 1b availability zone, and my instance, what are the instance do I have? That is present in 1a. Now my question is, how can I able to get that instance in 1a region also? How can I able to get that instance in 1a region as well? How can I able to connect this volume to this is the question. We directly cannot able to attach this 1b volume. So let me write the question. Let me write the question here. The question is that mm, how can I attach volume from, let's say, 1b volume? How can I attach 1b volume to where 1a availability zone EC2 instance? 1a instance. 1a instance. How can I attach 1b availability zone volume to 1a availability zone EC2 instance in a same region? In a same region. So how can I able to attach those two, sir? Let's discuss this question. Okay. We directly cannot able to attach 1b volume directly to 1a EC2 instance because they both are in different availability zones, right? Yes. Then how can I attach the same data which is present in 1b volume to this 1a instance? So now I got a problem. How can I attach? I cannot, I can only be able to attach the 1b volume to 1b EC2 instance. Now I want this, I want this volume, this 1b volume in 1a. I want this 1b volume in 1a region. So how can I able to get this 1b volume in 1a? To answer this question, I'm again introducing you a new concept, that is snapshot. What it is? That concept is snapshot. Let me write here. What is the concept name? Snapshot. Okay. What is this snapshot, sir? This snapshot is nothing but backup. What is this? Backup. Whenever, if anybody asks you What is your volumes backup? What is your EBS volumes backup in AWS? Then you immediately need to provide snapshot is the EBS volume backup. EBS volume backup is nothing but snapshot. Okay, where do we store? Where does this snapshot will be stored? Where does this snapshot will be stored, sir? This snapshot will be stored at. This snapshot will be stored at stored at S3, where this snapshot will be stored at S3. Sir, we are storing these snapshots in, no, they are automatically stored. They are automatically stored in S3, right? Are they chargeable? Yes, these are chargeable. Okay. What do we call the first snapshot, sir? We call the first snapshot. That is nothing but we call the first snapshot for EBS volume. For EBS volume, for any EBS volume, we call the first snapshot as baseline snapshot. What snapshot? Baseline snapshot. So for first snapshot, how can I call? I call my first snapshot as baseline snapshot. If we take another snapshot for the already taken EBS volume, let's say I have EBS volume this. I have taken snapshot for this. So I have taken snapshot for this. What do I call that snapshot, sir? I call that snapshot as baseline snapshot. Let's say I have put one more movie in this volume. One more movie in this volume. Now, if I take again the snapshot, then do my snapshot need to store the previous data and present data? No, right. I already taken the previous data as snapshot. That is first snapshot, so that's why I call it as baseline snapshot. Now, since I added a movie, I need to take a backup of it. What do? I have taken a snapshot. Then, do AWS maintains the whole data of snapshot? No. In the second time taken snapshot, it only maintains. What is the difference? What is the added data to this volume? In second time, what I added? I added only movie. That movie only taken and saved in the second snapshot. This is how snapshots will store the data in EBS volumes of EBS volumes. Okay. How to create snapshot that I'll show you in lab as well. We just go for that volume and just click on that volume and there is an option to take the snapshot. So from there you can create the snapshot. First snapshot we call it as baseline snapshot, and after the first snapshot, other snapshots we call it as just snapshots only. They just store the difference. That means additional data. What is the additional data that you're gonna add it into the snapshots? That's only stored. Where does this snapshot stored? In S3. Do we can able to see those snapshots from S3, sir? No, we cannot able to see those snapshots from S3. We cannot able to see those snapshots from S3. Then where can I able to find these snapshots, sir? We can able to see these snapshots under snapshot session. Under EC2 dashboard, we're having snapshots section. There you can able to find your snapshots. So let's have a question. Sir, does these snapshots are regional or global? Does these snapshots are regional or global. Thus, these snapshots are regional or global. So for this, let me answer you. The volumes which are present at where availability zone level, the volumes which are present at where availability zone level, these snapshots present at regional level. These snapshots present at regional level. If I want to, if I want, if I want to share my data from one availability zone to another availability zone that is within the region, then how can I share? I can share by using snapshot. How can I share? I can share by using snapshot. Let me put this whole snapshot session in a box. This is all about snapshot. This snapshot is regional level. Okay. Now let us move on with our problem. My volume is present in 1B. I want my volume to 1A region. How can I get this, sir? You can get this by taking a snapshot. You just need to take a snapshot of this volume. So you just need to take a snapshot of this volume. So whenever you have taken the snapshot, it will present in regional level, right? Yeah, it will present in regional level. Now you can able to access this snapshot from this availability zone or this availability zone or this availability zone, because all the availability zones which are present in same region, that is Mumbai region. So I want my volume to be present in this availability zone, that is 1A availability zone. So how do I get it? You just go to 1A availability zone and you just need to open the snapshots, and there you find the snapshot. There you can able to find the snapshot. From there you can able to create, from this snapshot you can able to create the volumes. The snapshot is what, sir? There's nothing but backup of volumes, right? So from this backup of volume, from this snapshot, you can able to create what? A volume in this region, in this availability zone. And after creating, right, to attach it to this, you know how to attach it to this EC2 instance. That is just mount your volume to instance. That's it. In this way, you can get this volume, this data in this availability zone, and you can able to attach it here for this instance. So I hope you understood how to solve this problem. Whenever your volume is created in another region, or if your volume is present in another region and your instance is present in another region, another availability zone, then how do you able to attach the volume to that EC2 instance when they are present in different availability zones? It also happens, right? Let me provide you another case, that is when the instance is present in one region and when your volume is present in another region, then how can you able to attach those two? So let's discuss that problem in next video. In this video, we have covered how do I attach my instance in one availability zone, and how do I connect my volume in another availability zone with a good detailed explanation, that is by using snapshot. What is snapshot and where it is stored, and what do we call the first snapshot, and is this snapshot is regional level or global level? All the things we have learned. So I hope this video is understanding to you. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.